Hi, welcome to Yoga Tips from Unplug and Be Mindful Yoga Studio. I'm Lisa, and I'll be telling you some of my favorite tips and tricks of how I make yoga comfortable, accessible, and safe for myself and for my students. Some of these tips and tricks are particular for my body, so you need to learn yours, find out what works, what doesn't, and you choose. That's the beauty of yoga. The first thing I want to go over is my yoga kit. The favorite things I like to have. I can improvise, but given my druthers, I'd have a good mat, one that doesn't, your hands don't slide on, and I don't like plastic, so I have a natural mat. It was not that expensive, but it's lasted a very long time and I love it. And so the mat is made by Jade, and I think it's a wonderful mat. I love a pad, and I like the dense ones. There's smushy ones where you put your hands or your knees on them and they just flatten, but some of these have more density, and those are my favorite, so I'll use those for my wrists or my knees generally. I really need blocks, and I generally prefer the wider ones to the narrow ones, and they really help me find proper alignment and help me keep my back and my body safe. A strap. Straps you can purchase, or you can make them. This is just made from an old yoga mat. You can get about 15 out of a yoga mat. They're about 2 inches thick. Unplug also has awesome kits, so check them out. Blanket, any blanket. I like blankets that don't have a lot of lint to them and have some weight to them. They're great to sit on, lifting up your hips. They're great to put on you for our final resting pose. Great for a lot of things. Bolster. Bolsters are optional, but I love having them. They make a big difference. They make me more comfortable, and I get to choose and find positions just a little differently with my bolster. So that's my yoga kit. Also water, bottle of water, and music. Anyways, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. See you again soon.